If scrolling suddenly stops working in Google Chrome, don't worry. This is a very common issue that many users experience while browsing websites, watching videos, or reading pages online. Sometimes the mouse wheel stops responding, touchpad scrolling fails, or pages freeze and refuse to scroll properly. The good news is that this problem can usually be fixed within just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to fix the scrolling not working issue in Google Chrome in 2026, step by step, even if you have zero technical knowledge. First, let's start with the simplest solution. Completely close Google Chrome and open it again. Temporary browser glitches can sometimes stop scrolling from working properly. After reopening Chrome, test scrolling on different websites to see if the issue is fixed. If scrolling still does not work, check whether the problem is happening only in Chrome or across your entire computer. Try scrolling in another app, such as File Explorer, Microsoft Edge, or a settings window. If scrolling fails everywhere, the issue may be related to your mouse, touchpad, or system settings instead of Chrome itself. Now, let's check Chrome extensions because certain extensions can interfere with scrolling behavior. Open Chrome and type Chrome//extensions into the address bar, then press Enter. A list of installed extensions will appear. Temporarily disable all extensions, especially smooth scrolling tools, ad blockers, screen recorders, accessibility tools, or custom browser enhancement extensions. After disabling them, restart Chrome and test scrolling again. If scrolling works normally afterward, then one of the extensions was causing the problem. Another important fix is disabling hardware acceleration. Sometimes graphics rendering problems can affect scrolling performance in Chrome. To disable hardware acceleration, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome and open Settings. On the left side, click System. Find the option called Use Hardware Acceleration when available and turn it off. After changing the setting, click the Relaunch button so Chrome restarts with the updated configuration. Once Chrome opens again, test scrolling on different websites. If you are using a laptop, make sure touchpad gestures are enabled properly. On Windows, open the Settings app and go to Bluetooth and Devices or Touchpad Settings depending on your version of Windows. Check whether two-finger scrolling or touchpad gestures are enabled. You should also update your mouse or touchpad drivers because outdated drivers can sometimes cause scrolling problems inside browsers. Open Device Manager from the Windows search bar, expand the Mice and Other Pointing Devices section, right-click your mouse or touchpad driver, and choose Update Driver. Another useful method is clearing Chrome cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data may occasionally affect page behavior. Open Chrome Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then click Clear Browsing Data. Select Cached Files and Cookies, choose All Time, then click Clear Data. If scrolling becomes laggy or freezes only on certain websites, the problem may come from the website itself rather than Chrome. Heavy advertisements, poorly optimized scripts, or overloaded web pages can sometimes cause scrolling issues. You should also make sure Chrome is updated to the latest version. Click the three dots, go to Help, then select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if available. If nothing works, try resetting Chrome settings completely. Search for Reset inside Chrome settings and click Restore Settings to their original defaults. This resets browser settings and disables extensions without deleting your bookmarks or saved passwords. So that's the easiest way to fix the scrolling not working issue in Google Chrome in 2026. The main solutions are restarting Chrome, disabling problematic extensions, turning off hardware acceleration, updating drivers, clearing cache files, and checking touchpad settings if needed. Most users can solve the problem quickly using these simple methods. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Chrome tutorials and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.